How do you print your smartphone graphic design with high quality? How do you print your smartphone graphic design and make it come out in high quality? So I get asked questions every day on this channel, and I try my best to see that I respond to those questions, because you guys are the reason for this channel. So this is from Georges, and he is from Togo, and they say it'd be very cool if you give us a tutorial on how to prepare posters for printing, even large ones. Okay, how do you prepare posters for printing? So the basic thing is, how do you prepare your design for printing? All right, then the next thing I want you to share to see is this. All right, I created a video, smart measurements for all design on smartphone on Pixel app. I think you need to go and check that video because you will learn a lot from it. This video is a follow-up of that video, so I'm going to drop a link in the description for you to watch it, and somewhere around this video, that video is going to pop up at the top or at the end screen. This person also, Francis from Ghana, I think, is asking, sir, please what of the banner size? Assuming someone says you should do a 40 inches by 47 feet, please, how do you go about the measurement? So it's very, very easy. Okay, so what I want to tell you now is very, very important. So I want you to watch the video to the end. Pay attention to every information you are going to receive right now. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is this. That is getting your measurements right. Number one, getting your measurements right. That is number one thing we want to talk about. Now, before you do any design, it has a measurement. You need to understand this measurement. You need to know how to convert from one measuring unit to another measuring unit. All right, so there are several measuring units. You have the millimeters, you have the centimeters, you have the inches, you have the foot, you have the pixels. Now, Pixel app uses pixels. Canva even have an option for, in fact, all design software have an option for pixels, and there are several other measuring units. Okay, so let's begin with this person's request that was saying here. Let's begin with this person's request that was saying here, sir, come in. This person request said he was asked to do a design with the size 40 inches by 7 feet. 40 inches by 7 feet. Okay, let's begin with this request from this person. 40 inches, don't forget, by 7 feet. Okay, now to get that done, it is very easy. When I go over to your, what's it called, go to this guy here. Now just type in here 40 inches. Remember, 40 inches, convert it to pixels because you're using Pixel app. So you're going to write on Google 40 inches in pixels. All right, then click on it. Now they will take you to several websites, but the first two can do it for you. So if I go to this website now, I will see already the conversion is made there. Now to get 40 pixels in pixel, this is how the multiplication is done. So it's basically 3,840 pixels that gives you 40 inches. All right, 3,800. So if you want to get the measurement right, inches, the given inches multiply by 96 will give you the number of pixels that you should use. And how is that calculation gotten? A pixel is a dot. Do you understand that? A pixel is a dot. Let me show you what I mean. So these dots, these are squares. Put all these dots together. Each of them represent a pixels. Each of them represent pixels. So how many dots called pixels? One pixel is one square dot like this. How many of it are you going to see in 40 inches? The answer is going to be this. Divided, multiply by 96, you get your answer, which is this. All right, so for that person now, so what you're not going to do now is that you are going to bring that figure you just got. So let's come over here now. Let's say 3,800 and what? 840. So let's just write here 3,840. That is, this one represents 40 pixels. Sorry, 40 inches. Then he also say by 7 feet. So we'll come over here. We'll not type 7 feet in inches. Sorry, not in inches. Sorry, in pixels. In pixels. 7 feet in pixels. You can see there. It's going to give us 8,000. All right, it's going to give us 8,000 and some fraction. So just pick this first one and approximate it. So just use 8064. Okay, so let's go 8064 and then enter. Okay, so this is it. If the design is going to be on portrait, that is going to be, if it's going to be an horizontal, a vertical design like this, standing, like a standing banner, it's going to be like this, then this is it. This eye is going to appear. But if it's going to be horizontal, then you have to come over here. You will carry this 8,000 something and then put it here. Then carry this 3,840 and put it here. So it will not be like this. Are you getting me now? So it's not going to be horizontal like this, coming this way, and to come out very well. So I've used this person's dimension to get what I want. So for flyers, for banners, for poster, there are other sizes. All you have to do is to know how to convert from one to another. For pixel app, it is only in pixels. So anything you want to do, whether it's going to be in any other measuring unit, make sure to convert it to what? To pixels in pixel app. Once you have done your conversion correctly, the next thing you want to do is to save your design. But really, you will realize that. Let me go to the next. Let's go to the next part now. Let me come here and change the size to a perfect square. Now in pixel app, or not only in pixel app, any design, this is where we are now. Any design that you are doing, saving in pixel app, it is going to be saved in this color missing code called RGB. RGB is used for digital or web media, or you call it digital print. So anything, digital social media. So anything you want to post on social media, anything you want to use online, you do not want to print it, then you should go for the RGB color missing code. Right, so pixel app default setting is for RGB. Even Canva, it is for RGB. So how do you now? Then for CMYK is used for digital print. It's used for print media. So anything you want to take from your phone to a printer, it is very, very professional and nice for you to convert it from the default color missing code or format to the printing format, which is CMYK. So converting it from RGB to CMYK is preparing your poster, preparing whatever you're doing for print. All right, so this is the process. Now you can go over here now, and then you're going to type here RGB to CMYK image converter. Take the first option here, and it will take you to a website where you can upload your image or your design that is in RGB, and it will help you to convert that design and prepare it for print in the CMYK format. So click on choose file, let's select any design, and let's see what would happen to that design. Let me go to Pixel Lab folder. Let me look for one design. I'm going to use this design. All right, let me use this design. All right, now the design have been uploaded. Right, so you will see here the select format. Don't choose JPEG. If you want, just leave it. All right, leave it at that. Then this default, just leave it at the first one here, and then click on upload, click on start. All right, click on start, and the design is going to be, look at it now. This is it. This TIF, it is used for is the format that is used for flex banner printing. Now if you click on it, it will be downloaded. Okay, but let me advise you also, you can see the size now. Let me open it. Open. This is the size. Okay, it's not opening here. Let's try to open it again. The reason it didn't open because of the format. So let's go back. Let me show you something you can do now. So instead of this TIFF, use JPEG. Okay, and then start. Use JPEG so that you can view it on your phone. All right. So this is it. It will help you to convert it and prepare it to this guy. Okay, so you can click on it like this, and it will be downloaded. Right, so let's do a little bit of look at it before and after. All right, you may not necessarily see the difference now, but when it is printed, that is where you're going to see the difference. So this is it. This is the one that have been prepared and changed to CMYK, a print media, a print format. You will not see the difference. So if I download this one, you're not going to see the difference until you print it. Then you will know that there is actually a difference. Okay, that is that. Now don't forget, I did say that you can work on your sizes. So for posters, for example, for posters, you can just go here and just type sizes for poster design. Now you can use A4 for poster designs. A4. The first option here is A4 default size. This one is A4 default size, so you can use it for your poster. Okay, you can also use A3 for your poster design size. All right, you can use A3. Then you have movie posters. You can see the size. All these ones, they are in inches. They are in inches, but you can convert them to pixels. All right, look at this one. Church bus or subway posters. All right, you can see the size there, 46 by 67. So these are in inch. You can convert them to pixels, or not only Pixel Lab, your Corel Draw, your Photoshop, you can convert them and you can use them for your designs. So you need to understand all these formats and how you can manipulate and convert them. You can see the sizes here. All right, small poster, medium poster, concert poster, movie poster. These are all the sizes. So know how to do the sizes, put them in your design and software, or your whatsoever you're using to design your application. Then get the size right and create your design and save it in high quality. Right, there's another video I did that will teach you how to save in high quality if you're using Pixel Lab. There's also, that video is going to be at the end screen or at the link in the description. Once you get this right, you don't have any problem again. So the next thing you want to do now is probably to convert your design to PDF. And it's very, very easy. For me, I use this application called Small PDF. So that's the application I use, Small PDF. So this application will help me to just easily convert my stuff to, so I click on the plus, click on File Gallery, and then get the design that I want to be converted to for prints. So let's say this is a design that I've already, remember the design, the one I have converted to CMYK. Right, put the name of the file here. Okay, let's say it's a client file. So you put the exact name so that you send to the printer. So rename it and click on finish, and then in few seconds the design is ready for, so it will retain the original quality of the design. So you can click on the share and then share it to the person on WhatsApp as a document or whatsoever it is, or as email. That is how to do it. Alright, so my name is Niamuda and this is where I'm going to stop the video. I hope you got value for this video. If you got value, please drop a message for me in the comments. Tell me that you got value for watching this video. Tell me where you are watching from, and also like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in another tutorial.